Welcome back. Here we are again. This is part 4. I found something interesting when I was here. I didn't know if anybody else seen it or if it was just me. That piston right there does say standard on it. Hard to focus on there. It won't focus. But anyway, look at the valve reliefs in that piston. Nothing in there. No markings. No markings in there. No. It looks to me somewhere they had to replace a piston. But the cylinders look good. Everything in here looks good to me. Don't know. I'm going to turn this motor a little bit here and look in here a little more. Should turn pretty easy now. It's quite interesting. It's still a tight motor. It don't want to roll in there. Well, dang it. Yeah. These cylinders, no rust in them. You just need a good cleaning. Little bit of... There ain't no ridge to speak of in here. Somebody must have freshened that up, threw a new piston in it. Don't know if they put a new sleeve in it. Don't know. That could have happened too. But somewhere on the line, they had a problem. I guess that's number 8. It had to replace a piston. But these are, you always check for a ridge right here on the top. That's where the top ring winds up going. If it's a lot of wear, it's got a big ridge on it. You can't catch it on your fingernail. So it was a decent running motor, but the story gets worse. Well, that's okay. I think I could save it. This head don't look too bad either. Let's take him down to the shop. But my next thing, whew, that one right there was burning a little goofy. That one too. Yeah, just a little update on what we're finding here on the old free for nothing 318. These things are going for $400 or $500 going. That's what people want for them. But all right, thanks again for looking. Have a good one.